guys, Matzy33 here, checking in for the vlog. No, but driving over right now. Gonna be a great vlog. Had a great day so far. Let's make it a good one. Another banger. Last video did amazing. I appreciate y'all for the love. Let's do it again. Just touched down at the sports complex. Got the homies on the way. Got here a little bit earlier. Low-key packed like a motherfucker, but hey, we outside. Alright. Tapped in. Already went the wrong way. It's alright.
Yo, it's Matzy33. We're at Slammin. What are we at?
Slammin.
Slammin what?
I don't know. It's kind of just what the show is called.
Alright. Yo, get this in the video. Oh, his taillights are pink too. You see what I'm talking about?
I do see what you're talking about. Did not know that. Damn. Shit. Bro, you're so with status, bro. You sponsored, dude?
Basically, at this point, yeah.
You got a banner?
Yeah.
Like a members on?
No,
Huh?
not a members banner. There's a stage there right there.
Sick. Dude, this might be the best car here. Genuinely. Damn. Bro, this might be, what is it, ZN6 Gordon now? FRS Gordon? This might be him.
What is that store? I see that shit.
It's Superstar. Superstar Garage or whatever. God damn. Edit it out. Tristan. Oh my god. Fuck.
Woke up from a nap.
Yeah.
I just destroyed my Nardi steering wheel. I didn't realize.
He doesn't like buckets.
That shit not getting edited out on my mama. Stan Stog. 2026.
Where is Tristan?
Boy done took a shit, bro.
Look how white his legs are.
Ew.
Your shirt, dude?
Dude, what's on your shirt, bro? Right here.
This right here.
Word on the street. Oh wait, no, it's not this one. Maybe it's this one.
What the fuck? Is it stuck like that?
Yeah, it's beached.
So now what? You gotta push it off?
Whoa, no shit.
That's crazy.
Full crazy with it.
Didn't you drive far as shit to get here?
Yeah. It's like a 40-minute knock.
This shit last night.
He did. Me and Bray about to go glaze. We're about to go do tricks on it. Shout out, bro. It is on bags. Run it. Mm-hmm.
How's it going, boys? Hello, my white boys. How's it going?
Hello, Nismo Donovan.
What's up, Doug?
What's up?
Did you see him?
Fuck.
Came all the way to Peoria just for some head from Matt.
Let me know. Hey, there's a bathroom over there. We could do it on the grass. I got a car outside. We could do it at.
Still fucking spinning.
Hey, so what's up with this farmers market over here?
There's 100 vendors. There's 30 food trucks. There's a petting zoo. There's
A petting zoo.
There's
They got a petting zoo at a car show. Shoes. There's piercings.
There's a petting zoo.
There's Build-A-Bear.
There's a petting zoo.
Yes. There's cows and horses and all sorts of
Yo, this motherfucker claims there's a petting zoo over there.
Yeah,
a petting
cows
zoo.
And horses. You can go ride horses. Over
I saw the horse, bro.
There's horseback riding. There's ponies.
Really?
Oh yeah. Petting zoo.
Bro, fuck. Hey, this is the big clutch guy, eh?
That's what that is.
Shut up, bro. Shout out the boy Joseph. Update. We're going to a petting zoo.
Yeah.
I'm trying to jerk off a fucking goat or something.
I wouldn't worry about it.
Where?
Gordon, FTP.
Oh, hella FTP, huh?
I don't have.
That one? That brown one? Yo, no way. Ooh, doggo. Another one. Bro, there actually is. Do you have to pay to this shit?
I don't know. There's how much the pet?
There is actually goats. A little version of me in there.
Hey, look at you right there. I think you're the fat one.
They got a petting zoo at a car show. Dude, Bray. Do I pay the $8?
Yes.
I look, you got a. Are we dead ass? A bookstore? They got Dr. Seuss in. Bro, can you walk? Dude, Bray, I'm gonna get so mad at you. Another doggo.
This one here.
Shout out Rib Shinigami. Shout out. Soft, goddamn. Stone. Linked up with the whole gang.
What's up, chat?
What's up, dog?
What's up, dude?
What's up? The man.
I heard.
Where's I see Chris. Yeah. Fucking Jew.
Cloud seeding, dude.
Alright, give us an explanation of what's going on here.
So basically what happens is it's a factory where they seed clouds.
I had like 4 people after me.
That's it? I was scared. I was waiting for more explanations. Oh yeah. That's not what's going on.
That's what it is.
It's a fire from a bush. You're fucking.
Whoa, hold on. Should I take my snap story down there? Yeah, low key.
Yeah, you look like a fucking retard.
Oh, wrong one. Hey, good thing only 8 people saw it, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, I was one of those 8 people. Hold on.
Wait, hold on. Yeah, you suck, man.
Kill yourself.
Show the... You just gonna walk past this?
That's fake as hell.
Damn. I'm gonna unfollow Rick Shimgami right now. Whatever the fuck you say it.
Nothing, bro. Bro, this vlog about to be so ass. I'm not gonna lie. Bro, there's nothing to fucking record, dude. Yo, dude, come on. Sunset. Fuck, Poppy. The boy Bryce. You just want to walk with me, don't you?
No,
You want to walk with me, bro. It's okay. You can hold my hand if you want to. Hey, don't leave me behind. Where'd everybody? Oh.
You actually ran?
Kill yourself. Oh, this is my shit right here. Oh my. Hell yeah. Bro, peep the hood.
Keep the hood. It's not so yummy.
Hold on. Bro, Ish car's so tough, bro. Like, genuinely. That shit, oh my god. That shit crazy, dog. Fuck. Top dogs only.
Oh, his tags are expired. Get him, man. Get him, man.
Hey, go tell the cop over there. Demented. I don't know. That is sick. Bro, the sunset got me thinking of Bray naked in the shower. Fuck.
What are you talking about?
You'll understand it if you watch the vlog. Tap in.
If I watch it.
You tell me you wouldn't. Dude, this sunset is actually hitting. If we're not getting polluted right now, it'd be better, but hey, things can't be perfect in the world. That's why Mad Z33 isn't outside.
Yeah, that should be busted as hell. Shit, janky as
You're lucky you're cute, bro.
Do that.
Actually?
No.
You need a masseuse?
The who?
A masseuse?
The who?
Nah, bro. Can't focus? I can't focus when she pull her titties out. Ooh. Jack Lanks. You never seen that video?
No.
Of the trucker?
No. Oh, yeah.
Jack Lanks.
Roller dogs?
Roller dogs. Some kitty. Bro, you haven't watched the video, huh?
Yes, sorbets. We got fresh fruit sorbets.
Well, greetings from Peoria, Arizona. Yo, get in there, Bray. Get the family photo.
Oh, yeah. Should we hit up a family portrait?
Yeah, bro, let's do it. Run it. Hey, y'all want to go to the petting zoo or what?
I'm gonna cut some pussy. What?
Right here. Ah! Yo, he's chefing it up. I know he served some good ass meat on there. I'm not gonna lie. Chat. I was abandoned. Wouldn't be the first time. I don't know where I'm going now, but fuck it. I don't know how much more we're gonna vlog, but should be over soon. Honestly, I really like this idea more, having a farmer's market at a car show, because it's like, brings a lot of people even who aren't into cars, and they'll still go check out the side. So I think it's a great opportunity. But if you're watching this and you're hosting a show, do more of this. Tri-spokes are so tough, bro. I love them. Joe, bro. Why you keep on following me, man?
Bro, you just pulled up on me. What do you mean?
Hey,
You're stalking me.
close out the vlog for me. Give me an outro right here, right now.
An outro?
Yeah.
I think we have some of like the best dance scene for Arizona out right now. You know, when certain people Matt finish their cars, you know, it'll be a little better. But, you know, I think it's pretty good.
I don't know. Look, I don't know how I feel about it, but I appreciate it.
Hey, much love.
Yeah.
I appreciate you coming out.
Yes, sir. All right, chap. It's the end of the road. End of the vlog. It's been real. It's been a good one. It's been fun to record this one. I don't know how well it's going to do. I don't know how well it's going to come out. But we tried. We worked with what we had. It's been real.